One can live magnificently in this world if one knows how to work and how to love. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. Some mathematician said, "Pleasure lies not in discovering truth, but in seeking it." Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself. You see, if you take pains and learn in order to get a reward, the work will seem hard, but when you work, if you love your work, you will find your reward in that. Only people who are capable of loving strongly can also suffer great sorrow, but this same necessity of loving serves to counteract their grief and heals them. Our body is a machine for living. It is organized for that, it is its nature. Let life go on in it unhindered and let it defend itself. There is no greatness where simplicity, goodness, and truth are absent. Anything is better than lies and deceit. We can know only that we know nothing. And that is the highest degree of human wisdom. Without knowing what I am and why I am here, life is impossible. Everything that I understand only because I love. Respect was invented to cover the empty place where love should be. When you love someone, you love the person as they are, and not as you'd like them to be. Let us forgive each other, only then will we live in peace. Each person's task in life is to become an increasingly better person. If you want to be happy, be. A truly wise man is always joyful. The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. Wrong does not cease to be wrong because the majority share in it. If you look for perfection, you'll never be content. Seize the moments of happiness, love and be loved. That is the only reality in the world, all else is folly. It is the one thing we are interested in here. Pay bad people with your goodness, fight their hatred with your kindness. Even if you do not achieve victory over other people, you will conquer yourself. Just as one candle lights another and can light thousands of other candles, so one heart illuminates another heart and can illuminate thousands of other hearts. Life could be limitless joy if we would only take it for what it is, in the way it is given to us. Happiness does not depend on outward things, but on the way we see them. Truth, like gold, is to be obtained not by its growth, but by washing away from it all that is not gold. True life is lived when tiny changes occur. You can love a person dear to you with a human love, but an enemy can only be loved with divine love. And all people live, not by reason of any care they have for themselves, but by the love for them that is in other people. It is amazing how complete is the delusion that beauty is goodness. I think if it is true that there are as many minds as there are heads, then there are as many kinds of love as there are hearts. A man is like a fraction whose numerator is what he is and whose denominator is what he thinks of himself. The larger the denominator, the smaller the fraction. I often think that men don't understand what is noble and what is ignorant, though they always talk about it. Rummaging in our souls, we often dig up something that ought to have lain there unnoticed. Nothing is so necessary for a young man as the company of intelligent women. Leo Tolstoy, Tolstoy also spelled Tolstoy, Russian in full Lev Nikolaevich, Graf, Count Tolstoy, born August 28th, September 9th, New Style, 1828, Yasnaya Polyana, Tula Province, Russian Empire, died November 7th. November 20th, 1910, Astapovo, Ryazan Province, Russian author. A master of realistic fiction and one of the world's greatest novelists. Tolstoy is best known for his two longest works, War and Peace, 1865–69, and Anna Karenina, 1875–77, which are commonly regarded as among the finest novels ever written. War and Peace in particular seems virtually to define this form for many readers and critics. Thanks for watching. If you like, please share and subscribe.